Sir, can we brush our teeth during our fasting? Brushing the teeth during fasting is mustahab. The Prophet encouraged the using of sevak, that is the tooth trick. It's encouraged. So, in sevak, there are two sunnah. One is brushing and cleaning the teeth, which is a sunnah, and secondly is using the sevak, that is the stick. Both are sunnah. If your question is brushing, yes, it's a sunnah. If your question is, can I brush with the toothpaste? Yes, you can also brush with the toothpaste. You will be doing the first part of the sunnah, that is cleaning your teeth. If you want to do both parts of the sunnah, then you should brush with the sevak, that will get you more sawab. But even if you brush with a toothpaste, it's permissible. Your fast does not break as long as you do not ingest any of the toothpaste. You have to gargle